Hey guys, BubblePOP Kids here. I think you know what time it is. 6 squishes up on the chopping block. Time for chopping.
Bubble, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Colleen went and got all fancy on us and got like a tiger stripe balloon. Wow, she is upgrading. She's not doing the plain old ones. She's got animal prints. Love her.
Crazy mix of squishy stuff. Really crazy mix because we get this cow. Look at this thing. It is so stretchy. It has the weirdest material. It feels like air, but then it feels like slime. Don't know.
Watch me, Bubble. Better not cut my cow tail.
Bubble, one thing I have to say about this cow, and it is like disgusting. Ugh.
So we got the 2 homemades. Ooh, these are crazy. Colleen dropped them off this morning. She said they were really good. And she even found a tiger print one. I love that. Look at this thing. Looks like a little cookie, but it's got some cream popping out. Definitely gonna chop that. I don't know, it looks like milk or yogurt. Crazy little kitty.
Milk or yogurt? That looks like cat brains. Cat brains.
Found another mochi cake. This time it is chocolate. Not only is it chocolate, chocolate scented. Ooh, these things are crazy. They come in like a little bakery box. Always love a good mochi.
Bubble, you don't even know like what mochi means. Mochi is some kind of cake, but you never tried one.
In the 6th and final, we get a kawaii squishy wishy. This is actually a really good one. I ordered it, but they sent me 2 by mistake. That means I'm chopping one of them. It's so adorable. It's like a little ice cream cone. It's got these neon little sprinkles. Smells like strawberry. Gonna be good.
You are crazy. You're gonna be chopping up a Puni, like a little Puni Maru squishy? You're nuts.
Also a super special video because I got myself a pair of new shizhies. Would you look at these things? They are bedazzled. They're so beautiful. We got red and black, kind of festive for the holidays.
Wow, you just outdid yourself. You just outdid yourself. These shizhies look royal. Like, I'm in love with them. Too good.
And since we're talking about sissies, like I always say, if you guys are going to chop up your squishy toys at home, just make sure you have an adult or parent supervising because the sissies are super sharp. Don't know what's in these things. Come on, everybody. It is squishy chopping time.
Wow, like, you're way too excited about this. Just squishy toys.
Yes, finally. Haven't done one of these in a couple days. I am so ready to chop up some squish. Now this one, I don't know. It looks like a little keychain. It is so adorable. Actually, it looks like a cookie or a biscuit. It's got a little kitty face. See what's going on with this little thingy.
Don't you get what it is, Bubble? It's like a creamy cookie that like has a bite out of it. So when you squish it, that is the cream filling. It's like whipped cream. That's amazing. Look at that. What is it, like vanilla frosting? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Could do that all day. Seriously, like this keychain is super annoying, so I'm gonna take it off of here because we don't need no stinking keychains today. It's getting in the way.
So here we go. Time to debut my new sissies for the first time. They are sparkling. The other ones were just so messed up. And now it's time to figure this out. Is this like liquid? Is it slime? What is that? Squeeze and pop it.
Seriously, it's not either. It's not liquid, it's not slime. It's just like super stretchy rubber that they're pretending is supposed to be like cream filling. Let's pull it out of there. Whoa. Can't believe it. Maybe it is like a slime. Kind of like a white slime. Can't figure it out though.
What is going on with this little cookie here? It's so crazy. It's kind of like a slime. It really is like a really tough, heavy-duty, rubbery slime. Ooh, I love it. Doesn't smell, ooh, stinks. Smells super bad, and I pulled it right out of this little hole. I didn't even have to chop this thing up. That is just the craziest material. Look at that. Looks like milk or yogurt.
No, Bubble. You know what it actually looks like? It looks like dried up Elmer's glue. Like white glue and it's all dried up and like squishy. Unbelievable. And then here's this little kitty. It doesn't have any cream filling, but can we chop it at least and see what's going on? Empty. No trace of that white, like, creamy stuff. Just plastic. This was good though.
Mystery of that squishy cookie was solved. There was nothing inside but this white, crazy stuff, kind of like a slimy goo. Ooh, I liked it. Gotta get more of these. I think they had a chocolate one. We got vanilla.
Are you joking? This thing has like udders. This thing is disgusting, Bubble. I don't like the look of it. Look at that evil eye. Chop it right now. And I'm definitely gonna chop off this cow tail. Ugh. Actually, I'm gonna chop it for you right now, because this thing just looks pure evil. Let's chop it. What? A cow filled with salt? Yeah!
What's happening right now? Oh my gosh. This thing chops so easy. It's this crazy stretchy rubber. It almost feels like a balloon. Look. Still pouring out. There was about 25 pounds of this buggy bead, salty kind of stuff. I never would have guessed. I thought there was some kind of slime. Thing is crazy.
No. Chop me up. You're gonna pay, Bubble. Oh yeah. No milk for you.
Look at this thing, it's all twisted. Its front legs are like down here, but then its back legs are like up here. It's like a total pretzel.
Did not see that coming. I just never thought there were so many of these little beads. I mean, these things are all over the floor, all over my chopping block. There's got to be a million. Ooh, and they're still pouring out of this cow. Chop this up. Ooh, I like this rubber. It cuts so easy. Chop its little cow face. Woo!
That was amazing. I love how you did that. Look at its cow face. It's like here, and then its neck is there. Like, that is too crazy. Chop its cow leg. Other cow leg. Now we're gonna fillet it up the middle. This cow had something wrong. It wasn't filled with milk. It was filled with, like, salt beads. Get it away from me.
Squishy cow mystery is solved. Wow, it had so many of these. I wish you guys could see how many of these things actually are flying all over the place. These little plastic things. We chopped this guy up. Stretchy rubber. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah.
It actually looks like a coyote when you do that. Look at it. Look at it now. Looks like an evil coyote. Now it's a cow. Go away. Third one up on the chopper. What do you know? Your precious little mochi cake. Whatever a mochi cake is. But I love that it's chocolate. Yes.
Moving on from a moo cow to a nice little yummy dessert. Ooh, look at this thing. I actually did try a mochi cake. They are delicious. Kind of like a dough. And there's some kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it. Almost like a cream filling. Super good. So we're gonna chop this little squishy up. See what the insides look like. Ah, smells like fudge. Chocolatey chocolate. Woo! Look at that. Crazy.
Wait a second. You have to do that again. So it looks like a little like donut, like a little munchkin or something. But then when you do that, it looks like a bag filled with poo or something. Like that's super gross. Then it looks like a cookie. I don't get it. See what's happening with this mochi. I don't trust it. Ooh, it's got flour, powdered sugar. Is that a decoy?
This little mochi actually came with a keychain. So cute. Unfortunately, we're never gonna use it as a keychain. Gonna destroy it. Yeah. Looks like a big old ball of poopy.
Bob, like, you're cray. You see a big ball of poopy, and I see, like, a munchkin donut. That's the difference with us.
Kind of see what's in here. I thought it would be brown for some reason, but now that I'm squishing it, looks like some white, milky goo. Ew, I don't know. The last mochi had like this like potato slime. I'm thinking this one is the same. So relaxing. I don't even want to pop it. I want to do this all day. Stress reliever.
Okay, Bob, but we're not here for no stress reliever. We're here to, like, pop the mochi. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pop... Wow! Did you, like, know it was gonna do that before I popped it? Are you serious? Look at this. Mochi filling. Mochi filling is like nasty. But honestly, this mochi filling smells like chocolate sauce, so I love it. It looks like marshmallow, smells like chocolate ganache. Ah, delicious. Unbelievable.
Let's go. Look at this stuff, it just went everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is different from the first mochi. The first mochi I opened, I think it was kind of like slimy, like kind of solid, one piece. This is a disaster. My hands are sticky. Looks like marshmallow fluff. What are my shizzies? What's going on with this thing? Ew, it's filled. And it looks gross, it feels gross, but I have to tell you, oh, it smells like chocolate. We definitely cannot eat this, but they put some chocolate scent.
You and the rest of the universe loves it. Like, who doesn't love chocolate scent? I wear chocolate perfume every day. Like, this is unbelievable. This is crazy. This is like stretchy rubber with some kind of stuff, like marshmallow fluffy. Never really know.
Mystery of that mochi is solved. Ooh, we got some of this. Gonna be washing my hands for like an hour. Got it all over my chopping block. You got this stretchy brown rubber.
Oh, and we also have like this cute little bakery tray. It's adorbs. But your hands are not adorbs. So go wash them. And wash your brand new scissors. Please.
These little squishy toys just keep rolling on my table. So the next one, we got this amazing ice cream. I think this is the Puni Maru. Super cool, super scented. And after that, the 2 homemades. Get ready.
I love these little ice cream like kawaii squishies, especially the little Puni ones. They are the best. Look at this. It's like an ice cream bag. How adorable. Yummy. How thoughtful. They included a little keychain, but we're not going to be needing that because we're going to rip it up.
So good. When I tell you how good this thing smells, it smells like ice cream. Look at this amazing little squish. Comes with this little piece here. Looks real. Ooh. Little sprinkies.
These little sprinkies are like making me starving. We have to go to Carvel right after this. Look at these. All different neon colors. Ah, wow. And the sugar cone. Look how real it looks. Let's see. The squish factor. Wow. Super slow rising. Turned it into a pancake. Starting to rise. Smash it down again. Look at that.
Can't get enough of this thing. I love a slow rising squishy. The only reason I'm chopping up this particular one is because I ordered one and they sent me 2 by mistake. So I have one for my collection and one for the shizhies. Love those little sprinkles. I could do this all day. It feels like a piece of Play-Doh. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like a donut.
Okay, like we've gone over this hundreds of times. Like enough with the admiring. It's time to chop it. That's not what we're here for. Look at that. These scissors are horrible, by the way. Worse than your last pair. White, ice cream, memory, foam. Goodness. Ah, that is the source of the smell. Smells like a basket of strawberries. Or strawberry cake. Some of it is white, some of it is like yellow. I don't really get that. But it's like white Play-Doh with sprinkles.
Oh, this thing smelled so good, but as soon as I ripped it open, the smell is right in here. Oh, it's so strong. I don't know what they put in here. It really smells like ice cream or like a strawberry frosted donut. Look at that.
Look at that cone. Look at that. Gonna slice it into little cone pieces. Like little cone cookies. Isn't that adorable? And you know what, Bubble? After we just did this, I feel like really bad. Because we ruined it. It was adorable and gorgeous. And now it's ruined.
Oh yeah, we finally made our way to the homemade squishy. And it must be good with these stripes.
Better be good. Like Colleen went and got all jungle on us. Tiger. Urgh. Feels disgusting. Better have a bowl. Protect your tea bowl.
After feeling this out a little bit, I feel something like right in the middle. I don't know what it is. It's super hard. I'm afraid it's gonna pop it. Feels like a piece of plastic, but I have no clue what this squishy, wishy stuff is. Pop it.
Oh no, Bubble. We are not making a mess. I spent all day cleaning your table last time. No way. We're gonna do it nice and neat and the normal way. We're gonna cut it from here. Pinch corner technique. Remember that? Why? I think it happened. Bob, I think the day finally happened where Colleen went and lost her mind completely. Is this throw up? What is this? What is this? What is this? It spilled onto the table and it spilled all over my new Christmas socks. This either looks like throw up or like poop from a chimpanzee. What is going on? Why did she do this? Oof.
Oh my. There's no words. There's no words right now. I mean, why did she do this?
I mean, call her up right now and ask her why she did this. Ask her why she ruined my new Christmas socks. Ask her why she ruined my new carpet. And why is this on my testing table? Or on your testing table? Like, she's got problems. She really does.
Yeah. This looks like vomit. I don't know what this looks like. I mean, at first glance, it looks like lima beans or some kind of beans. Definitely isn't like a throw up, but that's what it looks like. And that's what it smells like. And I just don't like it. I don't want any part of this. Why did she put this in this cute little tiger balloon? Like, I'll never know. I thought it was orange putty inside. Got a surprise of a lifetime. Ew, look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm not eating today.
Oh, you're not? Like, I was seriously gonna cook this up after you're done. I mean, it's super gross, but it looks like good food. Really.
This is a scene I never thought I'd ever see. And I can't smell it. I want to close my nose forever. But this was floating around in there. She thought it'd be cute to put a little troll blind bag.
Well, we know she's crazy. I mean, she thought of a tiger, and then she thought of this, and that made her think of, like, trolls? What's going on with that? Or maybe you can actually just, like, scoop this up and put it in a little Tupperware for me, so this can be my Christmas Eve dinner, because I really love beans. I think it's beans, I don't know. Let me help you. Can't let good food go to waste. Hope it's not from her pet chimpanzee, though. We're gonna have real problems if it is. Ugh. Bubble seriously has a situation on her hands. Okay, so, like, she has to open this, which is fine, but she doesn't know if she should open the homemade after the last one. That was a catastrophe.
Whoa. You guys, I am afraid of Colleen. I don't know why she put that. I don't know what is going on. Scared of this one. I don't know what it could be. Maybe some more brown stuff. Who knows?
Okay, well, let's just open this, okay, because this is going to be cute. Definitely is. Let's see what troll we got. Oh, goody. You got a troll with no face. Just like a big fluffy hairball. I think it's Fuzzbird, but it's pink. Really don't know, but it's cute.
So we got a troll with no face. Oh, I like it though. It's got like silver in its hair. It's so pleasant to look at instead of the stuff it was floating in. Really like it.
Yeah, but you know what you gotta do, right? You know what you gotta do. You gotta chop its hair. You gotta give it a haircut. You gotta give it a little shave. Look at the troll now. Looks real good. That's the new troll style.
Well, my little bubble pops or bubble teenies, we made it through this video. Oh, it was a crazy one. Crazy stuff. I loved most of it. Some of it I didn't like. And we are on to our final homemade. I was thinking, should I open it? Maybe I shouldn't. But I'm just going to be brave and do it. Wow.
That looks like the mouth of a shark.
Oh. Not too great, but not too bad. Ah, it's not like this. Not like this. It's nice and blue and sparkly. Ooh. It's like a slime with Orbeez.
And Finding Dory mashup. Jackpot. I think Colleen redeemed herself. Seriously, a beautiful sight. Yellow balloon, this blue sparkle, beautiful Orbeez, beautiful Dory mashup. I love this. This is my style.
Inside of this yellow balloon, we get some of this stuff. Ooh, I love it. It's so sparkly. I don't know. It's like a fluffy foam, kind of crunchy. Look at that. Little Orbeez.
I hope we get Hank. Never liked him. Whatever this blue stuff is, like blue chunky slime, could literally pass for kinetic sand. It looks like the sparkle kinetic sand. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I love these. And I just noticed this. It's the Dory colors. Looks like Dory. Yellow and blue. Like, who would have known that?
We got a Dory homemade squishy. Now we're going to open this mashup. See who we get.
You are the luckiest person in the world. You know why? You got Dory. You got Dory slime, Dory balloon, Dory mashup. This is amazing. Great way to close the show. And like your scissors look super sharp. Oh my gosh!
I feel so bad. I feel so bad for popping this open, but there's something in there. Some kind of liquid. Get it over with. Oh, squirted right in my eye. Look at that. It was filled. I think there was water in there. Poor little Dory. Why'd I have to do it? Yeah.
So like there was the final squish, and I actually liked it. We kind of chopped Dory in half. I guess we'll fix her later. But we got some of this, some of this. What could you ask for? Yeah. Hey Bubble Teenies, this is what we're ending up with. Bunch of blue. We got this brown stuff, my Christmas Eve dinner. We get this little biscuit cookie, the mochi. That was awful. Little cow. What about this troll? I gave it a makeover. Looks super good.
There we go. I can never finish it out without a mess. So many crazy ones today. This I am just going to forget about. I can't even think about it. I love this blue crunchy, my little cone, everything. And we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.
Ooh, and then maybe I'll have mochi for dessert. So we get this and this. Lovely.